You already know how important video marketing is, especially today. People are glued to their screens all the time, watching videos every day. Implementing a video marketing strategy into your digital presence can do miracles for your brand and business. But what type of video should you include in your strategy? How many video types are out there and what would work best for you? Hey there, this is Ina from Cashew. Let's find out the answers to all these questions and a lot more. The most significant advantage that videos have over other media is that they capture your viewers' attention longer than any other form of content. Done right, videos can help you improve your brand awareness, skyrocket your sales, and even help you rank on Google, thus making your website traffic go insane. If you're serious about video marketing but unsure what type of videos to include in your digital strategy, this video is for you. There are a lot of different videos you can create. Before creating your video marketing strategy, define what success looks like for you. This will help you select the best type of video for every stage of your marketing funnel and the metrics you need to watch for after you publish your videos. If you're unsure about how to create your video marketing funnel, I would recommend you watch this video over here. There you'll find more information on creating your video marketing strategy for every stage of your marketing funnel. Once you're clear on your target audience, your goals, and the metrics you need to watch out for, it is time to select the best type of videos for your marketing strategy. Let's see some of the video types that you can use to grow your business. Educational videos are great for top of the funnel video marketing. These videos educate your audience on a specific topic. The goal is to position yourself as an expert in the field. This is essential and can boost your brand awareness and sales later on. Take TEDx, for example. They have hundreds of videos on their YouTube channel, educating people on certain topics. Notice that they are not selling anything in these videos. The TEDx videos are so engaging, entertaining, and educational that people keep sharing them, liking them, engaging with them. The community creates the hype, so TEDx doesn't have to. The community does that for free because they like the content and think it's valuable. They have millions of views, and thanks to these videos, TEDx is getting free organic traffic from people worldwide. But a lot of people make one huge mistake with these videos. This mistake is causing them to lose a lot of time and money. I have seen this happen over and over again. The huge mistake is that they try to sell their products and services in these videos. The problem with that is when you try to sell and educate at the same time, people lose interest. Imagine a college professor teaching math, but then 1 minute after the class begins, he starts promoting his new book. He spends 20 minutes talking about his book and then continues to teach. How likely are you to buy the book? Now imagine you have a class with a math professor that you love. This professor spends his time teaching you valuable lessons and you love his class. The next day, you see his book in the bookstore. How likely are you to buy it now? My point is, if you want to teach me something, but then put a giant buy me banner in my face, I would feel tricked and would leave the video right away. In marketing, a customer journey always starts with brand awareness. One of our clients is a wellness and meditation app. The educational videos we created for them on panic attacks had tremendous success. We got a lot of new followers, comments, shares, and overall engagement on our channel. And that was just the first step. Here's how to ensure your video marketing with educational videos is successful. First, make sure you know your audience very well and come up with a topic that they would engage with. Second, don't sell, but educate. Third, come up with a story that people would relate to and engage with. And last but not least, make sure your video is not long and boring. The second type of video you can create in your video marketing strategy is tutorials. Tutorial videos are great if you have a complex product or service. They will help you retain your audience and save you time as well. That type of video is at the bottom of the funnel. Guiding your clients on how to solve a problem would also solve a problem for you, the pain of losing customers and the need of having a huge support team. Tutorial videos are so important because users are 3 times more likely to watch a video tutorial than than to read instructions. But when you create a video tutorial, make sure you focus on solving one specific problem for your users. Making a 5-minute video that solves 5 different issues would make your video hard to watch and won't help anyone. If you're looking to create a tutorial video to grow your business, here are a few tips. First, solve one specific problem for your target audience. Second, make sure it's short but engaging. Third, show your products or services in action and present the solution. The third type of video you can include in your digital marketing strategy is explainer videos. Explainer videos are great for the top of the funnel or bottom of funnel marketing, depending on your goals. They are typically used on social media, your website, and your web presence. If you have a complex product or service or need a great way to engage your viewers, the explainer video is the right type for you. They present the challenge that your customers are facing, the solution, the features that your products and services have, and how to solve this specific problem for your target audience. They're great for boosting awareness, traffic, and conversion rate. If you're thinking about creating an explainer video, here are some tips for you. First, make it short and sweet. If your video is for the top of the funnel marketing, that might be the first thing that people see on your website or social media, so make sure you grab their attention. Second, come up with an engaging story that your audience would relate to and keep watching. Third, demonstrate how you'd solve their problem. And close with a powerful call to action, depending on your video's goal. One important thing that I want to stress out for explainer videos is that it is best to pick one stage of the funnel for your explainer video. Using an explainer video to introduce and sell won't bring you any good results. Behind the scenes videos are great for the top and middle stages of the funnel. They are especially good for social media use. I would recommend to use them on Reels, YouTube Shorts, or TikTok. We have seen many small businesses get massive awareness with Reels on Instagram, for example. You must have seen these videos at least once, and let's be honest, they're very engaging. Seeing how something is made, especially if you create a nice story around that, can bring you many new clients. But that type of video doesn't only work for small businesses. Big corporations are also taking advantage of this video format. And here are some tips for creating behind the scenes videos. First, make sure you come up with an exciting story. Second, make it catchy and motivational. And third, keep it short so people can watch it until the end. On Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, you can add a voiceover, music, and some cool sound effects to make your videos even better. Product videos are great for the middle or the bottom stages of the funnel. They showcase your products and their features. If you want to add a video on your e-commerce listing, for example, your website or social media, product videos would help you a lot. You can make a 360-degree product video as a GIF and include it in your newsletter or email signature as well. They can be used in many different ways and they'll help you move clients down the funnel. We would recommend keeping them short again and using high quality equipment to create a very professional videos of your products. If you're still unsure about what type of videos to use in your video marketing funnel, I would recommend you download our free ebook. The link will be in the description below. Thank you very much for your time and see you next week.